In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a metapixel to your Typeform. This is a great way to track conversions and gather valuable data to optimize your online campaigns. By carefully following the steps in this video, you'll have your metapixel set up in no time. First, you'll need to get your metapixel ID. This is a key component because it acts as a unique identifier, making sure the data you gather is assigned distinctly to your account. You'll find this ID in your Meta account, usually in the Events Manager section. Once you have located it, make sure to copy it as we'll need it later in the process. Next up, head over to Typeform's website and log into your workspace. In case you're not already familiar, the workspace is where all your current projects are housed, and it provides a clear overview of your forms. Once inside, navigate to the specific form you wish to enhance with the metapixel. This decision is crucial because it determines which user actions you'll be monitoring and which data will be collected. Now look for the Connect button. This option allows you to integrate various tools and services with your Typeform form, giving you a wide range of new capabilities. This feature is especially useful for advancing your marketing efforts. Type Facebook Pixel into the search bar. Metapixel was formerly known as Facebook Pixel, so be sure that you're selecting the correct option in the available integrations. This way, you can seamlessly track the interaction users have with your form. After identifying the correct pixel integration, click on the Connect button beside it. This step prepares the integration for your use and positions you to input the necessary credentials. Here, you'll paste the pixel ID number you copied earlier. This step is critical. It ensures that the data processed through this integration maps back correctly to your particular Meta account. Double check to avoid input errors, as an incorrect ID could lead to inaccurate or missing data. Finally, proceed to connect the integration. During this last step, Typeform will verify the ID and establish the communication channel to Meta. You'll receive a confirmation that lets you know everything is configured properly and you can begin tracking interactions immediately. That's it. Now you have successfully integrated your metapixel into your Typeform, enabling you to tap into insightful data about your form users. Tracking conversions and optimizing your strategies can now take center stage in your marketing efforts. Thanks for following along, and feel free to revisit any part of this video if you need a refresher. Happy tracking!